欢迎大家来到我们这边经验分享的平台。那我们今天邀请到的是来自法国的药学系的学生，来帮我们介绍他在法国就学跟药学有关的相关的经验，还有一些他对于台湾的一些想法。好 ，Hello Hortense. Hello. Okay. Tell me about something about you. Introduce yourself. Okay.
Okay, so my name is Hortense Butrot. I'm a fourth-year student in France, and I'm here in an internship.
So why do you want to be a pharmacist?
At first, I wanted to be a pharmacist because I love being around people. I care about their health. I'm really interested into healthy things, and I love chemistry. So, all combined, it was pharmacy.
How about your school life in your pharmacist university?
Pharmacy studies in France are 6 years long.
Yes.
We have in the fourth year 2 specialized in 2 different fields, such as community pharmacy, industry, biology, hospital, and research. Actually, 2 of them are kind of linked, so we say only 4.
Yes.
And in the 5th year, there's something really particular in France that not the other country of Europe has. It's 1 year in a hospital working with doctors, working with the pharmacist, so you can get some kind of an experience. Once you have chosen this, depending on which field, you have either for research, hospital or biology, a big national exam. Otherwise, for community pharmacy, you have to do 6 months in the 6th year in community pharmacy, or in industry, you have to do 6 months too in the industry, so you get prepared for the working life.
When your countries, your pharmacists graduate from a university, what can they choose to work, such like in hospital or in industry?
So in industry, for example,
Yes.
they are pretty free. You can be either in marketing or internal affairs, or you can go into business. It's really large what you can do. Everything is open. We have a big industry, French industries, but you have to speak many languages. This is really important. Otherwise, hospital,
Yes.
they can only deliver pharmacy. There is some kind of clinical, but it's not developed enough, I think, yet. And otherwise, biology, you can do blood samples, analysis, just like doctors. In community pharmacy, it's about delivering, I think about the same with small differences.
So, how about another field, such like a community pharmacy or drugstore or government? Your country's pharmacy can do work in the government or community pharmacy?
We don't have drugstores.
Yes.
This is really important. We're different, I think, from Asian. We don't have drugstore, we only have community pharmacy, but we have a part which is over the counter, a part medical, and in drugstore we only have like cosmetics, lotions, and we won't sell milk, we won't sell this kind of thing.
So it's different from Japanese drugstore? Or...
Exactly, we don't have drugstores.
Yes.
So you just have to imagine a community pharmacy with some healthy cosmetics, such like Aven or, you know, dermatologic one. So we kind of keep on the health way. We won't mix like a supermarket. We're against it. Government, for example, 7 years ago, the Minister of Health, I will say, was a woman, and she was a previous pharmacist. So as a pharmacist, you can be involved into politics too. You can choose to be directors of some kind of pharmacy field industry, but you can do politics too and get involved into the law.
Okay, so how about you? What do you want to do in your future?
Actually, as I told you, I like people, and in France, I feel like community pharmacy, you are more with the patients, you have time for them, and this is why I'm interested in. I just don't want to be too much administrative works, so I think what I'm looking for is more in community pharmacy, helping people.
Okay. One special question. How do you think about a doctor and the pharmacist relationship? How do you think, or maybe change in the future?
Actually, I think it's all around the world. The
Yes.
relationship between doctors and pharmacists, I agree with you, they are just enemies.
Yes.
But I think in the future, we will have to work together as a team to make it better for the patient.
Yeah, teamwork.
Exactly, like a medical teamwork
Yes.
to make it more sufficient, economically better, and like everybody will win about this. But I think we're kind of proud of something in France, actually. The first year of pharmacy is in common with medical school, midwife school, dentist school, and kinesiotherapist school. This way, because the first year is common, we can make friends in those kind of field.
Yes.
And for example, I have friends in pharmacy, I have friends in medical school and midwife, and this way we know each other, we discuss about our problems,
Yes.
about our studies, and we can make a link. So thanks to this, we can understand better the others and get along better. So I wish in the future we're gonna work.
Yes. Okay. Last question. How do you feel about Taiwan?
Taiwan is so far away from my country,
Yes,
from where I
I know.
live. So it's kind of hard to distinguish from other Asian because your culture is so common, if I can say. But I wanted to go for a step in Taiwan too, so I wish I can go there one day. When I think about Taiwan, I think about big buildings, really modern way of life, nice people. Culture is really different too. I know that speak Chinese, and I met only one Taiwanese actually. But he was nice. So I think everybody Taiwanese is nice right now.
Okay. Thank you, Hortense. Thank you very much. 好，
Thanks.
今天的分享就到此结束。那我们就让我们谢谢那个来自法国 Hortense，谢谢大家，谢谢。